Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Alcom Public School and a school situated in Gulamasa. Today in class 3rd we are going to learn topic subtracting bigger numbers. Today we are going to learn topic subtracting bigger numbers, and on last day we have learned many topics as like in addition we have learned addition fact, addition of bigger numbers with regrouping, without regrouping, and after that we have learned topic subtraction and subtraction without regrouping and with regrouping, and many more topics we have learned. But today we are going to learn topic subtracting bigger numbers. Today in class 3rd we are going to learn topic subtracting bigger numbers. Subtracting bigger numbers. Subtracting bigger numbers. Subtracting bigger numbers. Okay, now listen carefully how we can subtract bigger numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. So, how we can subtract bigger numbers? The first topic is without regrouping. Without regrouping. Without regrouping. The example is subtract. The example is subtract 1320 from 2462. We have to subtract 1320 from 2462. Firstly, we have to write in columns. So, 1000, 100, tens and ones. What we have to subtract it, that is the greater number is 2420 and a smaller number is 1320. Sorry, the bigger number is 2462. 2462 and a smaller number is 1320. Now subtract it to find the difference. In first step, subtract the ones. So 2 ones minus 0 ones, that is 2 ones. And after that we have to subtract 10 places, 6 tens minus 2 tens, that is 4 tens. And after that the next is 100, so we have to subtract 300 from 400, that is 100. And after that subtract the 1000 place, 2000 minus 1000, that is 1000. So the answer is 1142. Okay, now come on the next topic, that is estimating the difference. The next topic is estimating the difference. The next topic is estimating the difference. Listen carefully how we can estimate to find the difference. Now the next topic is that was subtracting bigger numbers, and now the next topic is estimating the difference. Estimating the difference. Okay, so how we can estimate the difference of two numbers? Listen carefully. You know that you can estimate the difference of two numbers. For this, round them off before you subtract. You can estimate the difference of two numbers. For this, round them off before you subtract. What you have to do? You can estimate the difference of two numbers. For this, round them off before you subtract. Okay, there is an example given, and what is that? Listen carefully. The example is round off the numbers. Round off the numbers 88 and 56 to the nearest 10. 88 and 56 to the nearest 10, to the nearest 10 and subtract to find here, and subtract to find here difference, subtract to find here, subtract to find their estimated difference, estimated difference, and also find the actual difference. Also find the actual difference. You know that you can estimate the numbers. You know that you can estimate the difference of two numbers. For this, round them off before you subtract. Okay, so firstly you have to round off 88 and 56. You know that you can estimate the difference of two numbers. You can estimate the difference of two numbers. For this, round them off before you subtract. To find their actual sum, subtract them. 8, firstly subtract the ones. 8 ones minus 6 ones, that is 2 ones. And 8 tens, after that subtract the tens. 8 tens minus 5 tens, that is 3 tens. And 32 is the actual difference. 32 is the actual difference. 32 is the actual difference. And when we round them off, you know that you can estimate the numbers. You can estimate the difference of two numbers. For this, round them off before you subtract. So firstly, round them off. You know that rounds up to, and you know that 88 is between 80 and 90. 88 is between 80 and 90, but closer to 90. So 88 rounds up to 90, and 56 is between 50 and 60, but closer to 60. So it's rounds up to 60. And 0 minus 0, 0, and 9 minus 6, 3. When you subtract 1's place 0 ones minus 0 ones, that is 0 ones. And when you subtract 10's place 10, 9 times minus 6 times, that is 3 times. And that is estimated difference. What is it? That is estimated difference. That is estimated difference. Okay, and now we know that the actual difference between 88 and 56, the actual difference between 88 and 56 is 32, and while their estimated difference is 30, and 30 is the estimated difference, it is quite close to 32. You know that 30 is the estimated difference, and it is quite close to 32, the actual difference. Okay, listen carefully once again. 30 is the estimated difference, and it is 30 is the estimated difference, and it is quite close to 32. That is the actual difference. Okay, and you know that the answer is the actual difference between 88 and 56 is 32. The actual difference between 88 and 56 is 32, while the estimated difference between 90 and 60 is 30. Now the next topic is, now let's solve some questions from exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Firstly, from exercise 3.1. Firstly, from exercise 3.1. Write in columns and subtract. Write in columns. That is question number B of exercise 3.1. Question number B of exercise 3.1. Write in columns. Write in columns and subtract. Write in columns and subtract. That is, the question is 120 from 124 from 325, and second one is 407 from 525. Now let's subtract. Firstly, we have to write a greater number on upper side. 325 minus 124. 5 minus 4, that is 1. When we subtract ones place, 5 ones minus 4 ones, 1 ones. 2 tens minus 2 tens, that is 0 tens. And 3 hundreds minus 100, that is 2 hundreds. And now the next one is 525 is greater, so write upper side. And after that 407. Firstly, we can't subtract 7 ones from 5 ones, so regroup. 2 times 5 ones into 1 10, 15 ones. And now 15 ones minus 7 ones, that is 8 ones. And here 1 10 minus 0 10, that is 1 10. And after that 500 minus 400, that is 100. And now from some exercises, some questions from exercises 3.2. That is exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. And also question number B, write in columns and subtract. Write in columns. Write in columns and subtract. Write in columns and subtract. The first one is 495 from first second 495 from 8695. So 8695 is greater. So 8695 minus 495. 5 minus 5, 5 ones minus 5 ones, 0 ones. And 9 times minus 9 times, that is 0 times. And 600 minus 400, that is 200. And 8000 minus 0,000, that is 8000. So the answer is 8200. And second one is 1585. 1585 from 1586. Now subtract 1586 minus 1585. 6 ones minus 5 ones, that is 1 1. And 8 minus 8 times 0 times 500 minus 500, 0 100. And 1000 minus 1000, that is 1000. So the answer is 1. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing. We will meet with new topic and new video on next day. Bye bye.